Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're unlocking a new WhatsApp feature, Instant Video Messages. This feature lets you capture quick moments and share them instantly with your friends and family. It's perfect for funny reactions, quick updates, or just adding a personal touch to your conversations. Let's jump right in. First thing that you need to do is to open the App Store on your iPhone or Google Play Store on your Android and search for WhatsApp. If you see Update button, tap on it and wait couple of seconds till WhatsApp installs all the latest features and options. Now head over to WhatsApp and open the chat you want to send the video message to. Spot the camera icon next to the chat box? Hold it down. See that lock icon appearing? Slide your finger towards it. Boom! You're now in hands-free recording mode. This means you can hold your phone comfortably while capturing the moment. Now, the fun part. Record your video message. Remember, it can be up to 60 seconds long. When you're finished, tap the send button. Your video message will fly on its way. And there you have it. Now you can share spontaneous moments and add a personal touch to your WhatsApp chats with instant video messages. Don't forget to experiment and have fun. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Until next time, happy messaging.